Well, when I had to take out this back, and it's about 10 in it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to get my spray bottle and spray it down with some water. This is so that the separating of the hair can be easier and it doesn't tangle, because this hair looks like it's going to be tangling a lot. So it's sprayed like that. Yeah. Okay. And then you're going to get a strand. So for the back section, I'll separate into into 3, but for the front section I'll separate into 4. So the other thing you should probably do is to run your finger through it to avoid this kind of mess. Okay, so basically half, and then splitting those half into half again. So since each pack comes in 3 bundles, so this is 3 bundle, right? And then you're separating each 10, so 10 into 3. Let's assume you use 1 pack for the back, so back to the middle, right? So that will be 30, 30, 30. That's about 90. So I don't think we'll use more than 2 pack, but we'll see. This is currently what mine is looking like. So I've separated some here that I'll be using. It's such a pretty hair color. I love this color, and the texture of the curl, the pattern of the curl is so beautiful as well. It's different from many of the curls I've done in the past. So bohemian, here we come. So I already started with one of the bundles, and this is what it looks like at the back. That's one bundle at the back. So I'm going to continue with the other bundles. Bundle. I'm on this. I'm going to go ahead with the second bundle now. So at this point, I'm doing something I learned, which is some of your crochet you want to slip them underneath the braid, and some of them you cornrow just straight on the braid. So for instance, now I don't remember what I did for this one, but yeah, this one was straight on the braid, and this one you can put your crochet through underneath the braid. Like that. So when we start getting to the front is when I'll be doing the knotless method. But for now, for these sections, I'm just going to be going with my knots, and I'll be knotting it twice. So knot it twice. Again. One thing I notice about this hair is that when it gets tangled up, just spray water on it and it should be good. But I think for it to last, we might need mousse or water and leave-in conditioner. Yeah, because I was almost like, this hair tangles so much, but when I spray water on it, it bounces right back. And I'll be showing you guys how to make it look really natural and pretty. So you better stick to the very end so you can see how we can get this look to look flawless, beautiful. I'm loving this extension. The color is my favorite. Like usually I'm more reserved when it comes to colors. Like I stick to my blacks. As you guys would have seen in most of my videos, I stick to my blacks. I don't know, I just prefer black hair. But I've decided I'll try something different. So I've been doing lots of different colors. As you guys can tell, the color of my hair, I dyed it, and I was supposed to upload a video actually, but I encountered the same issue as I previously mentioned when I stopped recording video, which was that my phone got full. And I don't know why, I don't know if it's just me, but I don't like deleting my pictures or my videos. I just feel like they're so precious to me. I don't know if it's only me. I don't know if you guys feel like that too, but if you do, please leave a comment down in the comment section below. This hair is so light. This is what 2 bundles look like so far. We're still we're not done the one pack, right? So I'll go ahead and fill it up until the front, then we'll start doing the knotless method. I'm on the third bundle, and at this point I want to show you guys something. So even though we did our hair all the way back, and you're probably wondering, oh, where's the center going to be, something you can do is, so you go on the side and then you go right in the middle as well, because normally this year I would have split it in two, right in the middle, right? But because I didn't do that, and we still want to have like a center for the hair, so, and I'm knotting it 3 times just cause, yeah. So see that it's looking like the middle, so that's what I usually do, and I'm doing this kind of lazy combo with no additional pattern when I don't have a middle. So it gives it that middle feel, right? So we're going to start the knotless method because we're in the front now. So I want you guys to see what that looks like. So what you want to do is, so you see that this is the 2 strands of hair that you have. So you can't even find where the knot is. That's because, see, it's underneath the root of your hair, right? So with this, sometimes you might need to crochet more hair, but I'm loving what this color is looking like on me so far. And because I don't want it to be full, what I did was, for the next row that I did, I separated the hair into 4 instead of 3, so that way I can get more covered. So moving forward, I'll be separating the hair into 4. So this is what we have left from the one pack. This is what I have left from the one pack. So about now, I'll just continue with the knotless method to show you guys the knotless method, and then I'll open another pack. I believe we shouldn't be using more than the 2 pack at most, but I really want this hair to be full thick hair. Looks nice on me. So but at the same time I don't want it to be too full, just the right amount of full is good. So as you guys can see, it's pretty easy. The knotless method, it's pretty easy. Let me do this side. So you guys can see, you can't find the knots. That's because it's underneath my cornrows. Okay, and try to make sure that when you're pulling, you align the 2 sides. Make sure that they are equal. You don't want one side longer than the other, because then you would have to be trimming a lot of hair. So you could also still hold it. You could do it this way too, so that way you can see, and then you could check, right? And then once you confirm, you can just pull it, right? So do whatever works for you. So as you guys can see, that's what we're looking like, right? So another method we could also do to bring our together is to you get hair from both sides like that, and then see what I mean. And I won't be doing the knotless method so that it can stay. So see, it pulls both hair together, then I'll split it into half and tie it, but don't tight it too much, just tight until to your comfort level, right? So you see that it gives us that middle. So that's exactly what I did here. Here you can see how joint it looks. That's what I did here, as opposed to what I did on this side. I feel like what I did on this side is more stressful. That's what I realized, and it makes you use a lot more hair. So we're all done, and this is what we're looking like that. So as you guys can see, we're not looking so natural yet. That's what it will look like. And then all I'm going to do is to trim it. But before I do that, I'm going to sprinkle my water. We're gonna get our scissors. So we're not trimming the hair, you're just trying to get right. So you can see that I've trimmed, I've been able to just cut away a little, but that the rest I have, you're just going to fluff it. So the other part that I had that looks like I trimmed, we're just going to pull that out. So I'm going to bring that out like this. That's what I have left too. This is what came out. Right. Okay. Okay, now just get your spray bottle. Remember, you get your curl back. So I need some of this fluff in the front. Okay. There. Right. I'm going to repeat the same process again. Okay. This is a lot easier when you're doing it for someone else. Don't worry, you can still make it work. We're all about making it work. Okay. There we are. So by the time we lay our edges now, as you guys can see, it gives it that natural look, and that's what we're going for. You can see it's looking all natural and beautiful. So compared to this side.